guys, I hope you are doing well. Welcome to my channel. In this clip I want to show you how we can have destructive effect on our object in Unity. Okay, first we should take a look at this part. Oscar Sigvardsson released this plugin. It's called Unity Delanory. This project has been released 3 years ago. You can just download the project here and import just that assets folder into your project. But remember, you need to add input manager.assets into your project settings folder as well. Without this input manager, you will have a problem with the sample scene of this package. Okay. After you imported it, you will see it is here, Voronoi destruction effect, and it has scenes, scripts, prefabs, and let's take a look at their example scene. As you can see, there is 3 objects here. This cube, this guy, it's called wall. There is some important points you should observe in your object. First, you need to have breakable surface. You can say, okay, main break area is 0.1, main impact to break is 5. It depends on your decision about your object, but your object needs to have a rigid body with use gravity. Okay, and also it works just with mesh collider, not with box collider or sphere collider or whatever. Just needs to be mesh collider, and convex has to be on. Without convex it doesn't work. Without mesh collider doesn't work. Without rigid body doesn't work. Okay. And now we have 3 walls with this specification, and in here we have this camera which can shoot this guy projectile. It is just for shooting the balls into the wall. Okay, let's take a look at the example scene. All right, look at this. Boom. It is very beautiful and smooth, exactly like this. Okay, now let's add a new object into the scene and repeat all the features. Okay, the 3D cube, for example. Okay, first let's remove box collider and add mesh collider and convex. Okay, and after that rigid body with this guy and put it here. Okay, and now add this guy. What was the name? I don't remember, sorry. Oh yeah, breakable surface. I just duplicate the component here and add it to this guy. Perfect. And now play the scene. Boom! Beautiful. Excellent. It is very helpful to having this effect on your games or your simulators. Okay, I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Don't hesitate to ask any question related to Unity, AR, VR, and XR. Subscribe my channel and like this video if you like it. Have a great time. Bye bye.